prevent many diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, and also many other cancers. All but 2 of you said that during the summer season, you feel a little better about yourself after getting a little bit of sun. Why not feel that way all year round? Indoor tanning, tanning beds, bake and baking, whatever you want to call it, actually does have benefits and more benefits than the average person gives it credit for. For me, I do use a tanning bed. I don't go a lot. My tan is fairly natural, but I go because of the benefits that it gives me, other than just the tan. That's an extra benefit, but not the main one. Although many of you stated that you do not believe there are many other benefits, there actually are. Tanning beds can assist your body in producing vitamin D. They can also help your mood, and it can also help with a variety of skin problems. Researchers have said that the production of vitamin D in your body could possibly be one of the most important things. Vitamin D is a type of hormone that targets over 2,000 genes in your body. About 75% of U.S. teens and adults suffer from vitamin D deficiency. Although that may not seem like such a big deal to be vitamin D deficient, it actually can be harmful and cause many other diseases. Researchers have also shown that being vitamin D deficient can cause a variety of cancers, as well as heart disease, stroke, hypertension, diabetes, chronic pain, osteoporosis, muscle weakness and muscle atrophy, birth defects, and depression, and many other diseases. Researchers from University of Boston found that UV rays from commercial tanning beds can in fact help with that vitamin deficiency, especially during the non-summer months. With 15 to 20 minutes of full exposure to your hands and face, your body will naturally produce the amount of vitamin D needed. They did a study of 15 healthy adults ranging from the ages of 20 to 53, and that laid in a tanning bed for three times a week. After the first week, the vitamin D level increased 50%, and after 5 weeks, the vitamin D level increased 150%. Not only can indoor tanning be linked to physical improvements, but it can also be linked to your mental improvements. Seasonal affective disorder, or SAD, is a mental disorder that causes depression and other psychological or physiological and physical conditions. SAD is most present during those long winter months when days are shorter and rainier, and people tend to spend more time inside and less time being exposed to UV rays. SAD is caused by a chemical imbalance between 2 neurotransmitters of serotonin and melatonin. Melatonin is produced by skin pigment cells, and light exposure affects the level of both of them. Too low of a level of melatonin is believed to be the cause of SAD. Indoor tanning can help this because of the exposure of the UV rays of your pigment cells, and melatonin level will increase, thus reducing your seasonal affective disorder. SAD has become so apparent in the world that insurance companies and doctors have been prescribing heliotherapy or sun treatment to patients. Not only can the exposure help with SAD, but the increased level of melatonin is also linked to the improvement or helping your insomnia, and as well as your darker skin tone can help with your view of your self-appearance, which are all better ways to improve your mental health. Tanning can affect your physical internal health, your mental health, as well as your physical health and appearance. Artificial tanning actually began in Europe as a therapeutic exercise rather than a cosmetic as it is now adopted in the United States. Although it has not been clinically proven that tanning beds will actually help with your acne or other skin conditions, it has been confirmed by many users that it in fact does help reduce acne and redness in skin. And in fact, a few of you in my survey responded that other reasons why you go tanning isn't just for the darker skin tone, but also to help with skin conditions. And my grandpa was diagnosed with psoriasis, which is just a skin rash, is the easiest way to explain it. And the doctor told him to sit under a sun lamp for 15 to 20 minutes, and doing this actually helped clear up a lot of his psoriasis. Even though tanning beds, yes, they do have a lot of cancers, like skin cancers, that it is caused by, that is well known by a lot of people, it can actually benefit you in a lot of ways. And they aren't completely bad, and they're good for both your physical and mental